For today's MV Prints shop tip, I'm going to show you how to heat press your vinyl design on your garment. Let's get started. Last time, I cut out our design using Silhouette's Cameo 3 and Silhouette Studio software. Before you press, you need to know what type of fabric you are pressing. Check the label to determine what type of fabric it is. Now that you have this information, you need 4 additional pieces of information before we can turn on our heat press. From your vinyl roll package or the manufacturer's website, you need to get the following for the vinyl you are using. You will need the heat setting for your fabric, the time setting, pressure setting, and peel setting. There are many types of vinyl, and although many use the same settings, there are just as many that use different settings. In the shop, we've created a chart of sorts to help us get the right settings for our project. My garment is a 50-50 cotton polyester blend, and the vinyl I'm using is Stahl's Gold Glitter Flake vinyl. The settings I need are heat 302 degrees Fahrenheit, time 10 to 12 seconds, pressure medium, and peel is hot. The heat press I am using is a Stahl's Hottronics automatic heat press. Here we go. Turn on the power. When the display reads 150, press the mode button. Use the plus or minus button to increase or decrease to the proper heat setting. For glitter flake, I need to decrease to 302. Press the mode button to get to the first time setting. On this heat press, there are 2 time settings that you can adjust when doing 2 color projects. Since I only have a 1 color design, I need to change both time settings to the same number. The time setting is 10 to 12 seconds, so I'm using 11. It will take the heat press about 15 to 20 minutes to heat to the temperature, so find something to clean. Lay your garment out and place your design in the area you want the design to be pressed. This gives you a visual on placement, and at this time, make any mind changes now. Move it around, whatever you need to do. Once pressed, it won't come off easily. This could be another shop tip in the future, how to remove pressed vinyl, but let's get back to our business. When the heat press is up to temp, place your garment with the area to receive the design on the platen. Heat the garment by pulling down the top platen for about 3 seconds. You do not need to lock the handle. Check your garment for any unevenness over the entire platen. If the design does not make positive contact with the top and bottom platen, the design will not adhere correctly and fall off or peel off after the first wash. If positive contact cannot be made, find a pillow that fits the size of your design. The last setting that we need to set is pressure. When your garment is on the platen, before you place the design, pull down the handle and lock the top platen in place. Check the pressure display to see if it shows 3 or 4. This is medium pressure. If you add a pillow, adjust the large knob to raise the top platen. Turn 1 to 2 complete rotations, then lock or try to lock the handle. You may have to repeat the steps until the pressure display reads 3 to 4. Now we are ready to press. Place your design on the garment. This can be done on a table or on the platen. If using a table, carefully move the garment to the platen, taking care not to disturb the design. Heat-resistant tape can be helpful in this situation. When the design and garment are on the platen and centered, pull down the top platen and lock the handle. Stand back! This heat press is automatic and will knock you out if you are too close. Check your peel setting and immediately peel the carrier off if the peel setting is hot, or wait until the garment and design have cooled if the peel setting is cold. Voila! You now have a great looking garment. Be sure to turn off the heat press when you are finished. I hope you found this MV Prints shop tip helpful using our Hottronics automatic heat press. Join us next time for more information and more great tips on MV Prints shop tips.